Lesson 33. Ramp it up. Embrace resistance. Resistance makes you stronger. You have been on a roll for a minute. The challenges are becoming too easy, and you feel stagnant in your progress. You do not see progress at the rate you are used to, and it is diminishing your morale, while making you shaky about your results. Are you doing everything in your will to improve? Did you become complacent? When you want to improve your strength, you begin to work out. You love bench pressing, especially when you were witnessing immediate results. You were starting out being able to push the bar and continue till you had one plate on there. That's a 45-pound weight. Pretty good, but that's as far as you took it. You are now lifting the plate with ease, and your physique remains the same as when you first achieved those results. You never bothered to add 25 more pounds or any extra resistance. You are maintaining a level of skill for too long. Ramp it up. Do not compromise your results because you would rather stay in your comfort zone. Do you notice your efforts yielding the same results? Ramp it up. Do you feel it in your soul? You are doing great things, but it is not reflected in the light. Ramp it up. Is your desired lifestyle surpassing your current skill set? Ramp it up. Push your finish line a little bit further than you originally gave yourself credit for. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Get uncomfortable and reach that point of exhaustion. Test your talents. Push them beyond the limits. Exercise your gifts. Consult the teacher if you're unsure of the lesson plan. Do not panic if you notice you are on a plateau. The plateau is consistent. The plateau also gives you time to reanalyze, research, and reorganize your approach. Reanalyzing your approach helps you to expand. So utilize the plateau to pinpoint and acknowledge your current strengths and weaknesses, but do not stay there too long. Ramp it up.